Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these 10 different styles of handmade pattern paper which are aesthetics and super duper cute and very easy to make. You just need cardstock, some colors, some markers, that's it, and lots of creativity. So I'll share total 10 different designs in this video which you can use in many projects. So let's get started. I'm starting with my first pattern, and here I'm taking 200 GSM white cardstock which is A6 in size, and for this pattern I'm using all shades of blues. So randomly I have created some patterns in both the corners and filling this with one of the shade in blue. Then taking the another tone of blue and filling the small pattern. And then taking the darkest tone in blue and adding 2 more patterns in both the remaining corners. So in this way you can play with single shade and create the random designs. It looks very beautiful. And after drying all the colors, you can create small leaves, foliages, flowers, anything to decorate the paper. So here I am just making 2 branches of leaf in 2 corners. And also adding some dots here and there using black pen. So the super cute first pattern is ready, super easy. Now I'm proceeding for the second pattern. These are the smiley one. So to create the circles, here I am taking my stencil. You can also use any bottle cap or rounder to create the circles. And I'm going to fill these circles with different colors to create the smileys. So I'm just filling the base paper using the circle stencil. Then taking the peach color and covering whole page using this shade. To color, I am using Gouache Colors only today, but you can also use chalk paints, poster colors, acrylic colors, watercolors, whatever you have, you can use. So base coat is done. Now I'll start filling these circles. So I have created 2 circles and the smile shape, and just leave that pattern and fill the remaining gaps using same color. So randomly creating some in purple, then some in blues, then filling few in yellow colors, then adding some smileys in pink color, and this is done. So pretty, isn't it? So the second pattern is also ready. Very easy. Now I'm starting with the third pattern. This is I call ombre technique. So I have just created some swirls or wavy designs in both the corners, and I'll just do the ombre effect here. That is, I'll increase the shade of color here. So starting from lighter to the darker tone. So first of all, I have applied light lavender color, then I am adding medium lavender, and for the last row I will add dark lavender shade. Like this, so pretty. And then again after drying, I am adding few cute foliages just to give little contrast and abstract look. You can use these pattern papers to create journals, to decorate your scrapbooks, cards, boxes, gift boxes, envelopes and whatnot. And they are very easy and less time consuming project. Now I am adding few purple hearts here randomly, and just comment below if you are BTS lover. So these hearts for BTS members. And the third pattern is also ready. Tada! Now I'm proceeding for the fourth pattern, that is the rainbow one along with some hearts. So starting with the violet color, and for all the shades I am using pastels because in aesthetic look only pastels look more nice. Don't use darker tones, just add little white with each color and then apply on your paper. So following the Vibgyor pattern and creating the rainbow. And rainbow is ready. Now using my black marker, I'm just making some wavy hearts here and there. So pretty. And the pattern is ready. Very attractive and colorful. Then I'm starting with the next pattern. So here randomly I am just creating some random shapes and filling these shapes using all different shades in pastels. So no need to follow any particular shape or pattern. Whatever comes in your mind, just take the color and create on the paper. just balancing the size of shapes and covering whole part, and this is done. Then adding some sprinkles or confettis using the same shades but in darker tone using my colored sketch pens. It will look like we are decorating the ice cream or cake like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? And the pattern is ready. So pretty. I'm just loving the pastel palette very much. Then I'm starting with the next pattern. This is very simple. I have just created some vertical lines using the different shades of pastel colors. You just need to run the color from top to bottom, and you don't need to be very precise while making the straight line. Just control your brush, and whatever pattern comes, it will look nice. Because we are not making any precise work here, the more clumsy look will enhance the beauty of the aesthetic patterns. And this is also really very pretty. Here also I have used rainbow shades to create the pattern. Now I'm starting with the next one. This is super cute. I have created some small strawberries, and to create the strawberries I am taking here dark peach color. Again, I am not using dark red here because, as I have told you earlier, the pastels look more nice if you are making the aesthetic papers. So just randomly making some strawberries here and there. And on the tip I am adding light green pastel to create the leaves. And then using black marker I am making some dots to create the pattern on strawberries. And very attractive and very easy pattern paper is ready. Now I'm starting with the next pattern paper, which you can use to decorate your birthday projects. So here I have created 5 circles of different sizes, and I am going to fill these circles using different shades of pastels. For the shiny effect I am just leaving one drop shape in the corner of the balloon. And I am using 5 different shades here, that is purple, blue, pink, yellow and green, to create the balloons. And also using the same shades, I am creating some stars here and there. Then creating the thread below each balloon using black marker and also making the knots. And then using the same black marker, I am making some smileys. And the super cute balloon pattern paper is ready. Now I am starting with the 9th design. For this I am taking here pastel blue color cardstock directly, so you don't need to color the base. And again using my stencil and making some circles randomly here and there. Then taking light pink pastel color and making the daisy flower here. So we just need to create the drop shape from top towards the center, and very easily you can make the petals. So we need to fill all the circles with these daisies. In between I am taking little darker tone of pink and white touch also to do little shading. Then adding yellow color in the center of each flower. Also I have created some small dots on the center to highlight it little more, and the pattern is ready. Then I am starting with the 10th, that is last but not the least pattern. And in this pattern I am going to add lots of elements which are super cute and it looks awesome for any occasion. So I am starting with making the cherries using red and green color. Then creating some clouds using blue color. Then making some swirls using pink color. Then adding some purple hearts randomly. Then making some smileys here and there using black marker, and also adding some sentiments randomly like cute, happiness, smile, cuddles, etc. And the super cute pattern paper is also ready. You can also use glitter pens if you wish. So all 10 patterns are ready, and you can enhance the beauty of your projects to create your own pattern paper. You don't need to buy these papers. You can make it very easily at home. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.